limitedresources.usa. What we're going to be demonstrating is functionality of some of these buttons on our device. So as you can see, let me bring it up, that the device has something called a reset counter. So every time you have somebody inserting coins or paying with their credit card, it actually counts as the coin drops. And that is actually displayed right here on the oled display, which you can't see, but I can assure you that there is a coin counter for the drops. So what we do is, so you know how much machine is being used, how much money is being deposited, and so there is also a pulse counter here. So we can add money to the machine just simply by pressing on the pulse counter. So you don't actually have to insert a coin or use the coin app, payment app, to add time to the timer. So I'll do that again. I pressed it once. As you can see, we added 4 minutes. And I'll press it one more time. That's 9 minutes. And then again. It's 15 minutes of time. So, and in order to clear, you've gone in and you've emptied your coins, and now you want to reset the counter back to 0. You simply press reset counter, and the oled display says CC will go back to 00, 0. As you can see, that's our company name, limitedresources.us. We can be reached at 647-931-1829.